the 5 minutes that I have to a little bit refresh some of my earlier comments from Monday morning about the importance of the access point. And as I did on Monday, I would like to point out that when we use the term computing, it includes effective access to input data and placement of output data, as we cannot compute without getting data in and emitting data out. And the other thing is that when we talk about capacity, and in the context of paths, we are talking about the throughput capacity, computing, and capacity. We always include in it the storage space that is needed to support the effective access to data. So the big picture is, and you will hear about it today from 3 different speakers this morning that represent 3 different ways of aggregating raw capacity. And it is offered in a wide spectrum of shapes, flavors, sizes, usage policies, you name it. Whether it's a continent-wide organization like the European organization, it is a cloud, a commercial cloud, or is it a regional activity that becomes national, like PLP turning into NLP. And we believe that the path access points play a central stage in enabling researchers with high throughput computing workloads to effectively harness these diverse sources of raw capacity. So if there is a message that I want to leave with you today, is that there is this raw capacity and we have to turn it into effective capacity that can be effectively harnessed by high throughput computing application, namely somebody who has 10,000 images can come and turn this capacity into something that can help the researcher to process these images. And an attempt to capture it graphically is on this slide, where we have the access point, and the access point has attached to it a layer that supports what we call bring your own capacity, that allows researchers to bring to the access point capacity that they have rights to that in various ways, whether it's money or location or account or what have you. And actually, if you think about what we will hear about later today, we have representatives from the commercial cloud, from collaboration, from campuses, and all of them are potentially targets for bring your own capacity and harness it via an access point. And we view the access point technologies and services as research facing. This is where the researchers are coming, and therefore they hold the key to the democratization of the impact of high throughput computing on scientific discovery, which is what we are after and what we want to accomplish as PATH, as OSG, as I hope the broader community, and focusing on what the researcher sees, what the researcher experiences, how the researcher figures out what went wrong is critical to accomplish what we heard yesterday so much, is the democratization that hopefully will bring us the missing million. So I will let the session progress with the three talks. And once again, thank you for your attention.